And then yung characters nyo have a very modern relationship, no? Kind of relationship. Is it, ano yung personal take nyo dun sa kind of relationship na meron sila? And would you consider something like that for yourselves?
Okay. Ako naman na. Yeah, it is very modern. It's called a situationship, no? Yeah, parang uso-uso ngayon sa Gen Zs. But to be honest, damay na rin kami dun eh. Gen Z ba tayo? Yeah, millennial Gen Z. So, whether you like it or not, that's really it's the reality we live in now. It's harder to commit to a person nowadays than it was before. I get it. Is it ideal? Probably not. Pero you get what you can. You take what you can, right? If you're looking, you accept the love you think you deserve. Was it you who said this to me backstage? No. That's from a movie. Being World Fly, I know, yeah. But someone said this to me just backstage earlier. And I guess yun talaga yung reality. Like if may label, if wala, what are you trying to get from this relationship? Is it just physical? Is it really, in the long run, you're looking for love? Or is it just parang in-betweens? Yeah? So, I don't know. I guess you can't avoid it na rin. You can't avoid it. This is it.
Ako, since 2025 na, I think yung mga tao nagkakaroon na sila ng mas maraming options sa kung paano nila gusto magmahal at mahalin sila. So, hindi ako nag-judge kung yun yung pinipili nila at kung hindi sila ready, di ba, na pumasok sa isang relationship. Then, it's hard also to force naman someone. Of course, iba-iba tayo ng priorities. Yung iba, mas gusto nila magtrabaho kaysa maghanap ng love life. Yung iba naman, mas gusto mag-love life kaysa magtrabaho. So, iba-iba rin talaga yung preferences ng mga tao. But really, at this point in time, we shouldn't judge the choices that people make. If that's what makes them happy, then they should do it. As long as wala silang natatabakang iba, no? O kaya sana walang asawa, di ba? Yung in-between yung nakakahiya naman.
But ikaw, would you consider that for yourself?
Ako, I don't think I'm the type to do in-betweens. Feeling ko lover girl talaga ako. Mas romantic ako.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you. That was Kate Adahar of Radyo Republica.